Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use cross filters in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Cross filters are a powerful way to refine your reports by filtering records based on related objects, helping you uncover more specific insights from your data. Let's start by opening Salesforce. Look for the app launcher, which is the waffle icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to open up all your available apps and features. In the search bar that appears, type reports and select it from the results. This will take you to the Reports section where you can create and manage all your reporting needs. Once you're in the Reports area, click on New Report to start building a fresh report from scratch. You'll be prompted to choose a report type, so go ahead and select Accounts as your primary report type. Then click Start Report. This sets up the foundation for your report based on account data. Now that your report is open, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find various options for customizing your report. Click on Filters to access the filtering capabilities. This is where the magic happens. Look for the drop-down arrow next to Filters and click it, then select Add Cross Filter from the menu. Cross filters allow you to include or exclude records based on their relationship with other objects in Salesforce. A new panel will appear where you can configure your cross filter. First, select Accounts from the Show drop-down menu. This confirms that you're filtering account records. Next, choose the operator by selecting from the Operator drop-down. This tells Salesforce you want to show accounts that have a relationship with another object. Now select Opportunities from the Secondary Object dropdown. This creates a filter that will only show accounts that have associated opportunities. Once you've configured your cross-filter settings, click Apply to save these parameters. Your cross-filter is now active, but you'll need to refresh the report to see the updated results. Click Refresh to reload the data with your new filter applied. Finally, when you're ready to view your filtered results, click Save and Run. This will execute the report and display only the accounts that meet your cross-filter criteria, specifically those accounts that have related opportunities. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report using cross-filters in Salesforce Lightning Experience, giving you more precise control over your data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.